Welcome to Great Overload. I'm Anthony, and let's talk gaming and Microsoft Project xCloud. Cloud gaming has been something that over the last couple of years, or last year even, has been something companies have been trying to attach to and grow. And they see it as a big market. In my point of view, right now, it's early infancy and it still needs to get a lot of things ironed out. And we have like the NVIDIA GeForce. We also have with their cloud gaming, PlayStation has one, and Microsoft's been working on one too. I think Microsoft's in a unique position with all their data Azure data centers they have across the world that they can leverage. Now, there's a lot of things that need to be ironed out. I think in the cloud gaming, especially latencies, great internet connection, being able to, play on a level playing field with people that have that local system that's out there. And I think as there's more cross-platform stuff out there, I think it's going to be more and more crucial that stuff is more compatible and that, there is a connection quality issue out there. ISPs need to improve internet in a lot of areas as well. But getting back to the cloud gaming side, Microsoft talked about Project xCloud. And what's really cool about this project that Microsoft's putting on is it's basically like putting like four Xboxes into a server and then kind of plugging that up and putting a whole bunch of these in a data center so that they can do all the rendering and everything for your gameplay. And that is shipped off to your device that you're going to play on. And I find this really interesting. I go up to my in-laws or I go up to my parents, which that internet is horrible. Where I grew up is still on DSL. That's the best they got now is DSL. So hopefully someday that'll improve. But that'd be a little painful to play on as well. But hopefully Microsoft is working with, and one thing that Microsoft has also done is talk about white space and everything else for internet connections. With all these companies wanting to go into cloud gaming, to reach those people that don't normally have it, or where I travel, I can then start, using cloud gaming to game. That'd be pretty fun. And there's some times where go visit my parents or whatever, and I want to play a game, but all I have is my Surface. That's not really a gaming device at all. And so hopefully, one of these cloud gaming surfaces can actually go through and create something that is worthwhile that we can play on. I'd also like to play on from my desktop, make that the computational task, but still I'm running the same issue unless I'm on a local network across, making sure that I have low latencies and I'm able to play that. Being able to use like your wireless Xbox controller, they put Bluetooth in them now, so that goes to your phones, to your, Surface, your tablet devices, whatever you want. You could be playing a AAA title if this all works out and Microsoft or some other company irons it out. And since I'm talking a lot about Project xCloud here, if Microsoft figures it out with their unique data center situation all across the world, they have an opportunity to be able to deliver those frames that you want on the device you want with hopefully lower latencies if they can solve that problem. And that's going to be the problem that they say that they're working on. It's also going to be console quality on all devices because they're putting that Xbox in these servers. Basically, they're going to be able to have that console quality all the time, which is going to be pretty cool. Now, I'm sure that they might have to adjust if you drop, slow internet for a second, can come back. But overall, if you can do console quality, that's pretty cool, especially since some like the Xbox One X is pretty good quality overall. You can push a lot of pixels on that Xbox One X. So trials of this start early 2019. With other gaming services already out, they're a little bit late to the game, but from my point of view right now, since cloud gaming is so early, this is still in the start where, it may not even be Microsoft. There may be another company that comes up out of the blue and just, nails it out of the park. I can't wait to see what they do because there's a lot of times I just want to play a game and all I have is my Surface. And even if you could do, or a phone, and even if you do online on or touchscreen controls, I guess that's okay. That's not something I'd be very good at, but maybe I'd try it for a little bit just to see how it worked. But I think there's an opportunity here for cloud gaming, and Microsoft's trying to take advantage of it with Project xCloud. But let me know what your thoughts are with cloud gaming, and if it's going to be something that you're going to look at. I know I have an Xbox One X. I have a I like to get like a PS4 Pro, maybe PS5, since that's going to be coming out here sometime, right? Sony's going to release that. But I have a powerful desktop, so I like to go to the different devices to game. It's something I can do to relax. I like to play a game to relax, but I really want to know what your thoughts are on cloud gaming and what you see a future of, or if that's even something you would even consider using, or if it's just something that you would be like at a point, hey, yeah, if I'm traveling or something, yeah, it makes sense. I would want to use it. I would like to play the game, especially if it saves across, different devices. That'd be great. And you just play it back, even if you play local, and then you can go back to the cloud. That would be a nice addition. But let me know what your thoughts are, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for helping Gray Overload grow and supporting this channel. I really appreciate it. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.